What's going on? Thank you so much for joining me back on my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. Today I'm going to be going over exactly how much it costs for me to own this 350Z in fuel alone. This is not counting tires, this is not counting brakes, insurance, or payment, or anything. This is just counting gas. And I think this is a huge thing people, overthink when they're buying a car. And if you haven't thought about this, maybe it'll help make a decision for you in the future. So if you own a 350Z or you're thinking about owning a 350Z, right now it's kind of a blessing because of the coronavirus. The gas prices have plummeted. When I go to the gas station, it's seriously $1 cheaper than it was. Like right now, today I went to the gas station, premium was $3.19 in California. A lot of people all over the US would say that is extremely high even right now. I mean, listen, I was paying like $4 a gallon like 3 months ago, so this is pretty amazing. So basically my daily commute was, I mostly drove to school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I tried to save gas by staying at my friend's house that lives over by the school, so I'd leave here Sunday and I'd come home Wednesday, and I was having to stay at his house those 4 days of the week just because driving back and forth, it was like 15 miles each way. So driving back and forth to school just wasn't an option really, because this car doesn't get the best gas mileage and the tank it's not very big, and the fact that gas is so expensive, especially for premium. I mean, I was paying, easily putting $20 every other day into this car, and it adds up so fast. Of course, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, when I wasn't driving, I didn't spend any money on gas really. Then there was always those times when I'd go to car shows on Saturday mornings, and we'd always do cruises after. So it's like already I was spending $60 a week guaranteed on gas just to get to school and back. And then everything else you wanted to do on the weekend, like go to car shows and go to cruises and just do all kinds of stuff with your car, you go take pictures and drive with the homies and stuff. It's like all of that is gonna cost more gas too. This car is just getting into that category of being a huge gas guzzler, especially for me. I mean, I put $20 in there today and I've already burned $5 at least. And that was, 15 minutes of driving. So it is a lot of gas. Just something to think about if you've been thinking about getting into a 350Z or a V6 in general. A sportier car is going to be more expensive in gas, and that's just the nature of it. You're going to drive it harder. You're probably going to drive it more than a normal car just because you're going to love it so much, and you're going to end up spending a lot of money in gas. So if you haven't thought about that, hopefully this video kind of like got you thinking about that situation a little bit. As far as the other expenses go, I'm probably going to make an entirely different video covering everything. I'm going to compile all the different receipts I have from the different tires and brakes I've gotten. I'm going to compile a list of how much it's cost me to own this car over the last year and a half ish, and hopefully that'll be like super useful to you guys. So before I wrap up the video, I wanted to end with just kind of giving you an idea of how much it's going to cost you per week, or maybe per month, or even per year in gas, how much it's going to cost just in fuel to own this car. For me, I only go to school, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So going by $60 a week in gas, which is pretty accurate, that is times 4, that is $240 a month, $2,880 a year, depending on, how hard you drive or what you end up doing or car shows and stuff like that. So it is definitely quite the expense. I would definitely, plug that into the cost if you were thinking about getting one of these cars and you're, weighing out the different prices and costs of things. That is a huge thing people overlook. I think it's totally worth it. I love having like a fast, fun car, and it kind of seems like any type of fun car, you're going to have pretty bad gas mileage. Anyways, you guys, that's probably where I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and smash the like button. If you have anything to say, leave a comment down below, and please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. It really does help me out in the algorithm, and I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.